across the top.
It's raining, drizzling.
That's fine. Can you hold that? Pull it back. Pull it back.
Why? I want to do far.
This is farther than it was. Okay, we did that to kind of spread it out a little bit. Now can I have those clamps?
Clamp right here. Here are clamps.
Alright.
Clamps invitation.
Yep.
Okay.
Set 'em up.
Set up the clamps.
And watch out for the glasses.
Okay. I know that's that.
Good job.
No or yes?
Yeah.
Was I? Hi. My name is Mason and I'm gonna go peeling.
Okay. Finger discipline. Keep your finger off the trigger. Good job.
Okay.
Take off the safety.
Safety off.
Okay, now look through the sights.
I'm gonna pick orange one.
You gonna pick the orange one? Okay, go ahead.
Both of them.
No, that's all I see. Awesome! You hit the orange one just like you were pointing at.
But I'm trying to point out the red one and it's in you.
Oh man. Okay.
That must be good.
Yeah, you're getting good. Okay, load it up. Hold on. I'll do this. I'll do this
Good
part.
stuff.
I got it. Okay. The safety's on. Keep your finger off the trigger.
Safety off. And sights on.
Awesome. Good job.
Two off in a row.
Okay, range is cold. Do not touch the fire. Go reset up. Okay, range is hot. Go ahead. Go take it. Take the safety off. Good job. Putting the safety on. Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, load it up. Good job.
Two.
2. Let's see if we can knock down the last one. Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, range.
Look, Dad. Look, Dad.
Yeah. Okay.
Not two. Range
Hit it
is
this
hot. And okay, I just need to split. That helps you. When you split, you can just do that. Oh, that was a high score.
Awesome.
I just did 3 in a row.
Okay. So, tell me about the target you did.
I used 3 colors. I used blue, red, and yellow.
Okay.
For how to make it.
And what color are you going to try to hit?
Yellow. That's the hardest part ever.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes!
Awesome. That is awesome.
I shoot it in.
Awesome.
I knew I would do it.
Okay, here. Load it up.
I'm good at this, Dad.
You're very good. That was very, very good shot. Nice little move going on.
So let me see.
Okay, range is cold. Go look.
Let's see.
Just leave it in there. Don't touch it.
Let's
Very good. Okay, fire when ready. It's a good thing that thing has no kick. Good job.
In the red part.